Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama and I am so excited. I've been doing a bunch of lot tours lately because I always do that right before I have a huge sale. May is it. I'm putting all of these floor plans on the clearance page and we are going to kickstart this exciting building season. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath. We call this home the Maplecrest, 16 by 68. I've made it a 3-bed, no, excuse me, I've made it a 2-bed, 2-bath, but it could be a 3-bed, 2-bath. A lot of people come in for the season and they want 2 separate master bedrooms. So that's what I created here for those people that are requesting it. Walking right in to the living area. So wide open to the front door there. Got a perfect entertainment wall if you would rearrange the furniture. This just worked perfect for me, having the furniture like this. Wide open to the kitchen space. This is the optional kitchen that's available. I've got a couple different configurations. So hey, what a great reason to visit me here at the factory. I'll teach you about financing. We'll talk about options, design the home out on paper, talk to you about installation and get all the numbers for you. Took the cabinets to the ceiling. This is a boho cabinet, so a nice light gray. We've got glacier quartzite on the countertop and Casper cashmere on the wall. That hasn't changed in a couple of years. We've got a new linoleum floor that's available and it's called Serenity and it's super cute, white, looking like barnwood. Did a laminate backsplash. Now this, I built this before we did the upgraded stove. So now when you come in, you've got a smooth top range, standard electric. All homes are standard electric, but we did upgrade the stoves that we're putting in the homes. And what's nice about this floor plan is your laundry room is shut off here. This is an optional door, but the laundry room is coming off of the kitchen and you can close the door and shut that world so nobody knows that you ever have dirty clothes, right? It's a mystery. But when you open the door, there's also a space over here for a pantry. And some shelving in there. And customize it and make it, well, DIY it. Do it yourselfer and make it look however you like. And put as many shelves as you would want in there. Here's the master bedroom. Cute as a button. Coming over to the master closet, one of the good things about this floor plan is in many of the single wides, you see the water heater in the master closet, but not in here. It's actually tucked away in that little laundry area behind a panel. So it's nice to have all this wide open room in the closet. Optional bathroom with 2 sinks. You're only going to see that in a few floor plans. The Maplecrest is one of them. Plenty of space here. You could do the optional bathroom just like this so that you could get the full vanity and do 1 sink centered or 1 sink off either way. You can choose so that you have lots of space to put all of your hair tools or whatever you do in the bathroom. I guess everybody's got their own routine. You can't see me, but I'm blushing a little bit. I don't know. And added a Tri-View medicine cabinet. Hello, you guys caught me on a good day. My last video I came in on a Sunday, so no way was I getting in front of the mirror. It's nice when you do a hardwood cabinet, and I'm telling you guys, that's something you want to invest in, you know, and make sure your cabinets are good, make sure you got the insulation, make sure you got a 2x6 wall, and think about your future. You know, you want to make sure to add a walk-in closet if you're going to be in the home for a while so that you're prepared and ready for the future. Because you're going to, in most cases, have 2 bathrooms unless you tell me to omit one. You can do that. I guess I've never talked about that on the channel, that there are just a certain requirements for the HUD building code. You have to have 1 bath, 1 bed, 1 kitchen. So the rest you can omit and change around. Heading back to the other end of the world, we're going to come up on bath number 2. Gosh, I'm feeling a little tongue-tied today. It's been one of those days, I guess. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos and taking time out of your busy lives to learn about manufactured homes and HUD homes, because it's a great alternative. You got some lower pricing and we use a lot of the same building standards. Check out this bedroom. It's huge, right? This is the 2nd bath. So if you truly needed 2 master bedrooms, this is the way to do it. You know, you could stick your sister back here, or your mother-in-law, or whatever the case may be. I've heard both of those situations, people come in and asking for new homes. You know, you have to co-create in a living space. You want to have some personal area to just be yours, you know, and usually that's away from the other person that you're living with. So check out this closet, right? We thought the other closet was huge, but this one, oh la la, cowabunga. That thing is just as big, if not bigger, as the master bedroom closet. Again, this home is called the Maplecrest. I'm Christina, also known as the Mobile Home Mama. I'm the general manager at the Topeka Champion Homes Retail Center, where you can buy direct from the factory and cut out the middleman. We'll give you a good deal, a great deal, put you in a nice hotel, show you how the homes are made, and then we can tour these beautiful houses. And as always, 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 thanks for watching.